Welcome to the world of NFTs, or non-fungible tokens. Have you ever wondered how digital art, collectibles, and other unique digital assets can be bought, sold, and traded just like physical items? NFTs are unique digital assets that are stored on a blockchain, which is a digital ledger that records all transactions. These tokens represent ownership of a digital asset, like a piece of art or a collectible, and are verified by the blockchain to ensure their authenticity. NFTs can be bought, sold, and traded on various online marketplaces, just like physical items. And since they're stored on a blockchain, their ownership and transaction history is publicly available, making them highly transparent and secure. These days, NFTs are making waves in the art world, with digital artwork selling for millions of dollars. But they're not just limited to art, they can be used to represent anything from virtual real estate to in-game items and more. So, next time you come across an NFT, you'll know exactly what it is and how it works. Thanks for watching.